What are atoms? Atoms are the smallest thing that exists. They make up everything in the world around us. That includes mountains all the way down to sand, and even includes the things that we are made out of. We know that atoms have different sizes and shapes, and that those two factors combine to make up the things around us. We know all of this now, but what led us to this discovery? Well, for a long period of time in history, people knew about the concept of the atom, but nobody knew much about them. Nobody knew about the sizes and shapes of them and how many different types of atoms there could be, or whether they were there at all. This all changed in 1808 when a man named John Dalton proposed his atomic theory. This theory helped explain the different types of atoms that exist around us and how we could better understand them. This is one of the first of many theories that explain how atoms function around us. The atomic theory was explained in two parts. The first part was that ordinary things around us are made up of many different types of atoms, though his theory also proposed that there were things that are made up of the same type of atom. These are called elements. Elements as we know them are essentially the different types of atoms that exist around us. Where ordinary things are made up of many different atoms, there are also things that are made up of the same kind of atom. The second part of his theory was that different elements had different types of atoms. A gold bar is made up completely of gold atoms, but an iron bar is made up completely of iron atoms. And in turn, everything around us is made up of a mix of all the different types of elements. We know that all of this is true now, but back then it wasn't that way. John Dalton's atomic theory was only a theory, which meant that he had no evidence to prove that it was true. It wouldn't be until almost 100 years later that his theory was proven to be true by Albert Einstein in 1905. John Dalton died before he saw his theory to be true, but because of people like him, we have a better understanding of the world around us.